In a bowl, add small sized boneless chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as required, pepper powder half a teaspoon, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now mix all the dry ingredients with the chicken well. Now squeeze 1 lemon's juice, 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil. Let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. Now add oil in a pan for deep frying the chicken. Once the oil gets heat, add curry leaves, green chilies. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes and transfer it to a plate. Now add 3 to 4 chicken pieces into the oil. Do not stir immediately. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame and gently stir. Once the color changes, transfer it to a plate. Thank you for watching. For more interesting recipes, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.